morning everyone, it's Junior from AutoCraze. Today we've got an unbreakable TRD Hilux behind us, getting the AutoCraze treatment. That treatment includes a 2-inch AutoCraze lift, some fuel wheels, and some Toyo tyres. Check it out.
Hey guys, Shane here from AutoCraze. Today we've got a black TRD Hilux. We've put a 2-inch nitro AutoCraze kit on. Let's go have a look. We got the performance leaf spring in the back here, AutoCraze. And then we've got the greasable shackles, greasable pins, polyurethane Super Pro bushes. We've also got the nitro AutoCraze shock absorber in the rear. We've also got tail shaft spacer to keep the geometry perfect within this whole setup. We put a diff drop in the front to make sure the CV angles are perfect. And then as you come through to the front here, we've got ourselves the AutoCraze spring with the AutoCraze Nitro Raw shock. It's going to be able to handle anything he throws at it, and it's also going to be a nice smooth ride.
Okay guys, so over here we've got the fuel crush in a matte black dark tint. Now the fuel wheels are load rated at just over 1100 kilos, so perfect fit for the Hilux. The dark tint is definitely going to be turning heads. We've got them wrapped in a Toyo Open Country 18.2s and a nice 285 50/20 to get him through any terrain.
I'ma shut it down, shut it down. I'ma shut it down, I'ma shut it down, shut it down. I'ma shut it down, I'ma shut it down, shut it down. I'ma shut it down, I'ma shut it down, shut it down. I'ma shut it down. I'ma shut it down. Shut it down, I'ma shut it down, I'ma shut it down, shut it down, I'ma shut it down, I'ma shut it down, shut it down, I'ma shut it down, I'ma shut it down, shut it down, I'ma shut it down, I'ma shut it down, shut it down, I'ma shut it down, I'ma shut it down, shut it down, I'ma shut it down, I'ma shut it down, shut it down, I'ma shut it down.
So we left the man speechless, but I got him back with some more words. Vic, let us know.
Yeah, cheers to the boys at AutoCraze. They did a great job, very professional, top quality work and top quality products. Wouldn't recommend anyone else.
I don't take kind to the press. Hey.